how is Telus approaching B2B, and how is it really a drive of your future growth?
Telus has been on an incredible journey over the last 2 decades. We've been on an evolution from moving from being a regional telco to being a global technology provider. Of course, telling the story is the easy part, and then you realize that you've got multiple products underneath the covers that you need to bring together to create this solution. So often there can be multiple order management systems that we're dealing with, multiple billing systems. It might take multiple technicians to go on site and deploy some of these solutions. And then, of course, you've got customer support. So you might have 5 or 6 different support numbers today that customers would need to call into. So the opportunity with the digital platform is to actually start to obfuscate that from the customer to actually make it a much more seamless experience. But also starting to curate that customer journey. Often with these solutions, I heard the other speakers talk about building blocks. There's often a natural first building block that a customer should put in place and then build upon that over time. So with the marketplace, you can start to map out those customer journeys and create that logical guided structure for them. And then, of course, you can also let your customer choose their own adventure and use the technologies like affinity analysis to say, well, other customers like you, once they had this, they then bought that.
Yeah, because there's really that customer experience where they have a fantastic experience and they want to buy more because it was so seamless, so easy, great support. And it's really that customer experience underpinning everything, really, isn't it?
Absolutely, yeah.
A lot of the things you're talking about are quite complex, and therefore, I guess, how do you remove complexity from your business so that you can have the rights of automation? I mean, that's probably a key part of it, is it?
Yeah, it definitely is, and that's where the partner ecosystem really comes together. And together we've formed a global business consortium, which is started by CSPs for CSPs, where we've started to bring these solutions together. And as Telus, my interest in this is firstly being able to source solutions. So I'm building out industry portfolios in the industries that are most relevant for us in Canada. And so I want to continue to add to that and grow that portfolio. But I also want to share the solutions that we have built and make them available to others. And not just the solution, but it's been brought up quite a few times in these sessions today, also all the best go-to-market best practices so that you can get a really fast start and turn that solution into revenue.